What if you want to have the weekly layout? You go to weekly spread and choose the one that you want. So for example, I am going to the dark pages. You would increase it to the side that would cover current page, and now you have the weekly layout. If you don't want to cover the whole things and you just want to have the layout itself, then you would choose without background. So how to add sticker? So in order to add stickers, you would go to the stickers, and let's say I'm going to add a sticky note. Just need to drag and drop it and resize it, and that's it. But you cannot make them into the parallel view like this. Then what you need to do is go to the sticker folders and then choose what you want to add. Hold it so the option would appear. Choose copy. After importing both the digital bullet journal and the digital sticker book PDF files into the Goodnotes, I also recommend those who are using Goodnotes to import the third file, which is the file end with good.goodnotes, into the Goodnotes. So what is different between these two? The digital sticker book, the PDF file, is just a blank sticker book, which means if you open it, everything just notebook itself, while digital sticker book with the .goodnotes 5 extension, when you open it in Goodnotes, all the stickers and templates pre-cropped and imported into this file beforehand, so they can use the right way. For example, let's go to stickers. There, the first page of stickers is for decorations, as well as for the index, for you to know which subpages contain which type of stickers. So for example, we go to the washi tapes, which is number 7, and all the washi tapes available. All the stickers in here also available inside the stickers and the templates folders. So normally what I do is whenever I planning or do journaling, I would open both the digital bullet journal and the digital sticker book side by side like this, so that I can just need to go to the digital sticker book, choose whatever stickers or templates that I want, copy whatever I want, and go back to the file. Let's say go to overview, and here I just paste it as such, and that's the easiest way to import stickers.